rin magtsako! Ako nga pala si Ben, ang tsakolero ng Valenzuela. Tsako yun talaga. Hindi mo kaya magtsako. Ako kaya ko. Basta may taste. Kaya mo rin mag-tsak. Are you watching Family Righteous? I want to. Nihintay ko pa yung pa-free account ni View. Sabi nila, bibigyan nila ako ng 1 year. Sa kuripot kong to. Sa kuripot kong to. 1 year ko nga pinag-isipan kung bibili ako ng YouTube Premium, ng Red Up Premium. Wait lang, TikTok. I-accidental yun. Huwag kang OA ka. Napaka-OA mo talaga lately. Red Up Premium. Kang OA dyan. Lilipat kami ng sabi ko kasi pag di ako na... Hindi counted yun. Wait lang, hindi counted yun. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, safe tayo. End live tayo. End live tayo. Parang Delix tayo dito eh. Parang delikado eh. Ano masasabi mo sa P? Ay, ano masasabi sa P? Wala. Where did you order the puri-puri? Pani-puri? It was. Di ko kasi alam kung good reviews yung buong pagkain nila or like I'm so easily satisfied with food. I'm slowly becoming a foodie kasi for those of you guys na medyo matagal ng viewers, alam ninyo na love-hate relationship ako with food. So recently, I've been really into food. That's why I've been doing the Cravens, mukbang, ganyan. Kasi nga, I found my love sa pagkain. So, hindi ko rin masasabi na sobrang food critic ako. Like, hindi ko alam kung yung taste ko is like exquisite or just normal. But, ang dami mo sinasabi, Ben. Binili ko yun sa The Biryani Story. Tama ba? Biryani Story ba yun? May da. Ba't gusto ko maghanap ng mga gandang mga gandang Indian food? Guys, next, tomorrow, 7 p.m. live with Jenny. The Biryani Story nga siya. So, guys, have you tried it? Did you like it? I mean, it was okay. It was good. It was good. Feeling ko, mas gusto ko yung beef cello kebab ng Mr. Kebab. Alam niyo yung beef cello? Yung hindi yung grounded, yung medyo chewy. Kaso laging out of stock. Saan kaya makahanap ng ganun? Yung kebab na, gugutom na naman ako. Yung yung kebab na sobrang chewy ng beef, na hindi yung grounded. Ang sarap nun. How much yung gummy? Ako hindi ko na naalala kung ano yung nakita ko kanina eh, pero I'm not good with numbers. Wait. Anyway, ano yung sasabi ko? Search ko guys dito kung lumabas na siya sa Blue App. Blue App ba yung Uncle's Mo Uncle Mo's also good, but iba yung beef chalo kebab nung Mr. Kebab na sobrang sobrang chewy, parang steak, ganun. Sarap. Try paratha. Para sa'yo. Paratha. Laban na to. Oh my gosh. Di ako susuko. Sisigaw ko sa mundo para sa'yo. Ginabahan ka saan? Pwede ba sa 17 years old ang naked collagen? Of course. Kahit bata ka, you need collagen. But I suggest teenager. When you feel like your collagen is slowly depleting by noticing things like dati, mas yung skin ko, mas smooth. Ngayon parang nagsasag na, nagkaka-wrinkles na ako, prone na ako sa maraming breakouts, yung mga ganun. You would notice naman if hindi na siya same as before. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, nakikita nyo na hindi na siya same as before, pero tinotolerate nyo eh. Ang bagal ng internet ko talaga. Kailangan ko na, ilang beses na akong nagla-live ng ganitong oras nung umpisa first 2-3 months, hindi ako, lag, diba? Ngayon sobrang OA sa lag. Imposible naman sigurong yung extender ko yun. Posible ba na extender ko yung may problema? Pero working naman siya. Pwede. Paano? Paano ko pag yung extender yun? Ayoko kasi sabihin yung brand kung ng internet provider ko, but it starts with a PLDT. Please lang. Bakit ganun? Wala kasing dito eh. Iba eh. Reset? Sa main ka connect. Eh di nasa baba. Yun. Nasa third floor. Kasi to. Nasa third floor to. Tapos bumili ako ng 3 extenders. I feel like yung third extender yung may topa. Reset ko. Unplug then plug again. Or bukas ko na i-plug ulit, no? Mamaya. Pero ang lakas talaga niya nung first 1, 2, 3 months. Kasi bago ako pumunta dito, minake sure ko na maganda internet eh. Para since ang ating kabuhayan ay internet. Syempre bago eh. Si Reveal naman ang si Atake naman. Nilaglag mo naman yung style nila. Sa umpisa lang talaga. Pero di ba minsan pag tinatawagan mo pupunta dito, umu-okay. May ginagawa sila, parang umu-okay siya. Walang Converge dito. Playtime music.
Let's play some music already.
Ano nga ang title nung paborito ko na ano? Na kanta, na ano? Guys, I hate this depression thing. It's making me forget a lot of things. Ano ang title nitong? Hindi Blue, hindi yung ano, yung Waving to the window. Yung show. Oh my gosh, di ako mapakali. Dear Evan Hansen. Galing ni Ben Platt. Parang nag-crash na yung katawan ko dun sa carbs.
I've learned to slam on the brake before I even turn the key, before I make the mistake, before I lead with the worst of me. Give them no reason to stare, no slipping up if you slip away. So I got nothing to share. I got nothing to say.
Step by step out of the sun, you keep getting burned. Step out of the sun, because you learn, because you learn. On the outside,
Always looking in, will I ever be
Ano ba ang
more
lyrics?
than I've always been? 'Cause I'm
Tap, tap, tapping on the glass.
waiting through.
Through window, I
Try to speak, but nobody can hear. So I wait around for an answer to appear. While I'm watching people pass. I'm waiting through window.
Can anybody see? Can anybody back at me?
We start with stars in our eyes. We start with
Para ako nag-commercial break sa daldal. Yung pag tinamad ako magsalita, nag-play muna ako. Habang nagla-live.
out of the sun if you keep getting burned.
Step out of the sun, because you learn, because you learn.
Outside, always looking in, will I
Ano nga ba yung maganda pa dito?
I've always been? 'Cause I'm
Tap, tap, tapping on the glass. Waving through a window, I
trying to speak, but nobody can hear. So I
wait around
answer to appear.
while I'm watching people pass. I'm waving through a window. Can anybody see? Is anybody waiting?
Falling in a forest.
Love this song so much.
Do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling in a forest and there's nobody
Ano yung
around?
PFP?
Do you ever
Manong
really
post for
crash
PFP?
or even make a sound? When you're falling in a forest and there's nobody around, do you ever really crash or even
Ano yung
make a
PFP?
sound? When you're falling in a forest and there's nobody around, do you ever really crash or even make a sound? Did I even make a sound?
Profile pic? Dito ko talaga kukuha. Tap, tap, tapping on the glass. I'm waiting through a window. Where I answer to appear while I'm watching people pass. Waiting through a window. Can anybody see? Is anybody waiting back at me? Is anybody waiting? Waiting, waiting, waiting? Ba't ikaw lang mag-isa? Huy, ako lang naman mag-isa lagi talaga, huy. Buang. May sinend ang Christian sa akin. Sino yun? Wait. Ingit ako! Ba't kayo nasa labas? Ingit ako! Friday night pala ngayon, no? Wait, anong gagawin ko bukas? May live selling ako. Ay, talagang nag-isip pa talagang lumabas ngayon. Saan sila? Okay. Friend mong balimbing yan. Wait. Ano naman alala kong songs here? Hindi sila nag-invite, so...
Have you been writing those letters to yourself? Dear Evan Hansen, this is gonna be a good day, and here's why.
I started one.
Those letters are important, honey. They're gonna help you build your confidence.
I guess.
What's your favorite Dear Evan Hansen song? Na nakakaantok tong shades ko.
End of May or early June. This picture perfect afternoon. We drive the winding country road. Grab a scoop at Alamo, and then we're there.
Words fail? Dito ba yan? Words fail. Oh.
An open field that's
Sige,
framed
wait.
with trees.
After.
We
Pag di
pick
ko
a
na
spot
kaya
and
tong
shoot the
maalala.
breeze like buddies do. Quoting songs by our favorite bands.
Telling jokes no one understands except us two.
And we talk and
Take in the view. I love this. All we see is sky for forever. We let the world pass by for forever. Feels like we could go on for forever this way. Two friends on a perfect day. If I could tell her I like that. Oh, sige, wait. Words fail. Hindi na tayo natapos sa isang kanta. Ay, alam niya na yung sign pag paantok na. Ay, nangyari. Yun ba talaga yan?
I never meant to make it such a mess.
Parang hindi ko maalala to.
I never thought that it would go this far. So I just stand here, sorry, searching for something to say.
Ay, baka mula na antok ko dun sa T.
Words fail. Words fail.
Sorry guys, hindi ko memorize to.
There's nothing I can say. He thought you were awesome.
He thought I was awesome. My brother?
Goosebumps.
How?
He said, there's nothing like your smile, sort of subtle and perfect and real. He said,
He never knew how wonderful
that smile
could make
someone
feel. And he,
Ah, wala pa pala.
whenever you get bored, you scribble stars on the cover.
Panoorin nyo to guys, sobrang ganda.
And he noticed that you still fill out the quizzes that they put in those teen magazines. But he kept
Inside his head,
what he saw, he left
unsaid.
And though he wanted to, he couldn't talk.
Sino si Lon?
He couldn't find a way. He would always say,
If I could tell her everything I see. If I could tell her how she's everything to me. But we're a million worlds apart. And I don't know how I would even start. If I could tell her Okay. Okay. Let us. Gana oras ako mag-live. 1. Gawan ako, guys. Alam nyo ba, dinala ko tong glasses ko. Tapos naipit. Sa bag. Nasira. Yun o. Naipit. So, gusto ko rin tanggalin itong isa. How she's everything to me, and we're a million worlds apart. If I could tell her